Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Today we are just 100 meters away from the beach in an urbanization called Fuenz Puerto Romano. And we're going to show you a really nice and unique apartment because it's a ground floor, but it's at the same time a duplex for 210,000 euros. South-oriented, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom in top area. Let's get closer. We are right now in La Mata, in an area called Fuenz Puerto Romano. It's just 5 minutes walking from the center of La Mata, where we have the supermarkets, we have pharmacies, bus stations to get to Torrevieja city. But the best here, of course, is that the beach is just 100 meters away. Now about this property, look at the nice sunny terrace, which is oriented to the south, which means you'll have sun all day long. Now let's get inside. So we access to the property by these really nice French doors. The property is semi-renovated. This is why we find a lot of quality details like this, because it was updated. Also, let's see what this space offers. We have here the living and dining area. They have real wood, classy furniture, but everything is so well kept, it's like new. And what I love the most about this space, style-wise, is the marble floors. Now let's show you the kitchen, which was renovated just last year. So everything that you see here, it's new. You have fully equipped. Everything here is new, and nice feature here, we have a big storage under the staircase, and more here, again, real nice windows. Here we have the utility room. Again, very nice space, and it's covered so you cannot worry about the rain. Continue on this floor, we have a full bathroom. Again, it was renovated. Look at the still nice marble floors and the renovated shower plate and the new sink. Now let's get to see the other bathroom and the 2 bedrooms. So let's get to the first bedroom. This is a really spacious bedroom, open space, nice windows, and we have a fitted wardrobe. The next bedroom is the master bedroom. We have, again, nice big wardrobe here, very big space in general, but the best here is what we have, the balcony with the sea view. And again, I like that they renovated the most expensive things here, which is the windows. Here again we have these very nice French doors, double glazed. Now let's get back to the ground floor. Let's get back to this nice sunny terrace, and let's wrap up for this apartment. We are just a couple of minutes walking from the best beach of the area. We have sunny patio, communal pool, and the life of La Mata, just 5 minutes, because everything that you need for a quality life you'll have in the center of La Mata. If you need any more details for this apartment, guys, you'll have my details on the screen, so you can get to me and get more information. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!